Hello everyone, this is Charles Moon with Prosper Trading Academy, and I am bringing you just a quick video. And what we're going to talk about today is GWPH, GW Pharmaceuticals, big news regarding the company. First cannabis company getting FDA approval. CBD, obviously CBD doesn't have the active ingredient THC. This is more the derivative that's been found, of course, with FDA approval to help those with epilepsy and seizures and seizure-like symptoms. So it's a big name, big news for the cannabis industry. So why did the stock go down from the open? It was a risk-off move. Guys, if you take a look, guys and gals, if you take a look at this, this was the move that priced in the particular news. The reason why I'm bringing this up is because I've seen all too often, even most recently, with the legislation slash bill slash push for legalization of cannabis and marijuana products in Canada. A lot of people were waiting till the actual vote took place, and then they ended up buying, and the entire sector has pulled back since. Guys and gals, don't do that. It's been pretty evident in GWPH that they had the FDA committee meet prior to the actual vote, and all the committee members said that they would approve. And that was back here. That was back around here, and the stock has rallied up since. That is when you want to be aggressively pursuing the name. You don't want to sit here and wait, because those that wait end up becoming liquidity for the buyers, the informed traders, so to speak, that were smart enough to front run the news and use that new liquidity to exit out of their position. So I don't know if GWPH will continue lower, but they did take out Friday's low. They have shown weakness. There's some really wide-ranging bars, and you could see that the volume has jumped incredibly. Why? It's because we're seeing risk off, and this is important. So future reference, ladies and gentlemen, don't wait until the day of the news, especially when you have guidance like they did, meaning GWPH and the FDA committee unanimously pushing them towards the final approval. That's usually the precursor of a FDA approval on a drug. So, this, along with the most recent legislation vote and people kind of jumping on board too late, and that's kind of what it is. You're buying in near the highs, and you're buying in when the informed traders are looking to take profits, and that's never a great sign. So just be aware and be vigilant, and use this information as you move forward, because you could get yourself in a great position of yield versus trying to scramble out at break even, if you're even able to do that. Want to state that stock and stock options trading involves a substantial degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. However, ladies and gentlemen, when you do happen to see this plays out over and over again. How many times have you guys and gals seen a stock slump off of quote-unquote good news? It happens way too often, and people get frustrated and they wonder why. Now you know why. It's because the big money was already long and are taking profits off the table. Trade smarter, not harder, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time today. Make sure you follow us at Prosper Trading Academy on Facebook. Click on that notification button. You can follow us on Twitter at Prosper Trading, and myself, CM Trader. And again, click on that little bell. Same with you YouTube folks. That way you get notified as soon as we post these videos up. Take care, everybody, and trade well.